Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Blue Apron app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Blue Apron app makes meal planning simple by letting you order meal kit and prepare meal right from your phone. It's convenient, offer a rotating weekly menu, and provide a step-by-step recipe that even beginner can follow. The app also give you flexibility with serving size, dietary option, and the ability to skip or pause deliveries, which make it a good fit for busy householder that still want fresh home cooked meal. That said, Blue Apron isn't cheap. Costs add on quickly compared to traditional grocery shopping, and a premium recipe can push the price higher. The meal also requires some cooking time, so it's not as instant as takeout. So in conclusion, if you value convenience, variety, and a structured cooking plan, the app is worth using, but for budget-minded or extra busy user may find it less practical. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.